Canon RF 600 and 800mm lenses have just arrived in my store a day ago, so here is a quick overview with initial impressions. In absolute terms, these are big lenses, especially the 800, but still incredibly small, light and affordable, having in mind focal length and full frame coverage. You can see them here beside the familiar EF 100 to 400mm lens, which is about the same size as the new 600. Both lenses need to be extended in order to use them. Camera will not allow you to take images in collapsed position. Locking mechanism feels solid in use. Plastic is dominant material, but everything seems to be tightly assembled. Lens mount is from metal. 600mm lens uses 82mm filters, while the 800 takes 95mm ones. Lens hoods are not part of the retail package, typical for Canon non-L lenses. There is no weather sealing as well. At the bottom there is mounting position for tripod leg, which again is not included. But don't fear, there is a universal 1/4 inch type thread, so you can attach any tripod plate directly to the lens. This is crucial, as the lens this long would be a balancing disaster to use on a tripod with camera used as attachment point. Both lenses have image stabilization and focus limiter switch, as well as assignable multifunction ring. These are all the basic informations you need to know, but let's take a quick look at the image quality. I went for a brief stroll with both lenses and used them on the EOS RP. Photos look surprisingly good. Sharp, good contrast, no obvious optical flaws. Bear in mind this was just a half an hour stroll in daylight, but so far I am impressed. 800mm looks just as good. I noticed some very slight chromatic aberrations and a bit of vignetting, but both at surprisingly low levels. F11 aperture will be a limiting factor in low light, but with static subjects and combined lens and body stabilization on the new R5 and R6, who knows what will be possible. Honestly, I think these lenses will be a hit. That's all for this video. I will probably review them in detail when R5 and R6 arrive. Until then, thanks for watching.